angry at Mac.
Hate the stupid-ass meatball mother. I knocked the wall so I can get the money. So I can keep up with the payments on this here patio furniture, which, by the way, is broken now, because I broke it. Thank you very much. You ever see a cow sit on patio furniture? I ain't. Look at that umbrella, man.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wichita, Kansas, Andover, Kansas, El Dorado, Kansas, and Wellington, Kansas until 1:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, around 12:26 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms moving east towards Wichita at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated impact. Hail damage to vehicles is highly likely. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Wichita around 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Andover around 12:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, El Dorado around 12:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Wellington around 12:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary and preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Do not go outside. Cloud-to-ground lightning is expected. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
And your whole album was a lie. It wasn't for the shorties at all. It was for you.
Look, if I don't come through with this, they're gonna take everything, man.